Hey guys, it's Paul. I just wanted to let you guys know this introductory to a video that I'm going to try to post after this. I don't know how to edit very much, but somebody gave me some advice on downloading an app called Filmora Go, and you can do these on your phone, so hopefully I will be successful. Otherwise I can only do like one video at a time instead of trying to put a bunch of short ones together or doing a part 1 or 2. Anyways, we went to a place in Rockford, Illinois, called the Nicholas Conservatory area. It has a botanical garden on the inside. It's indoors. They have an outdoor park around it, and they have seasonal things out in the park, but year-round inside is a tropical botanical garden. And they have exhibits from time to time, and this one they had an exhibit for lorikeets. Beautiful, beautiful birds. I believe they're Native American to Australia. These particular parakeets, however, are a gentleman who owns these birds, and he's out in Florida. He has a farm out there for these birds. So these birds travel, and people get to experience with them one-on-one. They're in a netted area, so they fly freely in this little area, and they will land on you, or if they feel comfortable. None of them landed on me, but I was able to feed them nectar out of a little plastic cup. They're amazing, amazing birds. They're similar to a parakeet, but bigger, and their beak looks to me to be a little bigger. And their beak is almost like toucan-like, but not as big, obviously, as a toucan, but similar. Very beautiful, beautiful birds. So anyways, enjoy this video. Lisa did the filming. Unfortunately, some of the glare from the glass from the sun kind of shaded the birds. You can see the birds on the film, but they're kind of shadowed out a little bit, so I do apologize for that, but I still wanted to share this moment with you guys. Part of Paul's Blind Soup for the Soul. Seeing beautiful birds and feeding them and interacting with them are good for the soul. So you guys take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye.
Okay, here, take this cup and stand right here. Give me your cane.
So he's got to do it on my arm?
You can come and stand a little closer to this branch right here.
Do I hold just like that and it comes up to my
No,
arm?
you hold it in your hand. Just hold it in your hand, but come to the branch because he's sitting on the branch waiting for you.
Won't he just come?
Just step a little closer. Just go real slow. Okay, there's one above you. He's coming down. Oh, there he goes. Can you see him?
Yeah.
Oh, here comes another guy. You can step in one step if you want.
Man, he's hungry. You guys are fighting now, huh?
this guy's head. Step one little bit, step closer, because there's one right by your hat.
By my hat?
He's by your hat.
Oh. Yeah.
Hold it by your shoulder, and maybe he'll come on your shoulder and eat it.
He come on my arm. Come on my arm. Come on. Come on my arm.
It's really dark in here.
Yeah.
You can hardly see.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. No? They want to stay on the tree.
Should I stop the camera?
Yeah, keep it going a little. You can like film around and then
It's really dark. They just look like little black specks. What happened? What happened?
Oops,
What?
throw it on my.
Looks like it.